In 2012, Mattessons sales were declining. To tackle this, and capitalizing on the successful Hank Marvin broadcast campaign, Mattessons fridge raiders decided to target teens who snack and game after school. And so the M3000, the world's first meat-snacking helmet co-created by a social community, was born. Delivering a sales uplift of 20%, a revenue return on marketing investment value of 4.71 and 127,000 teenage fans, the M3000 used social media as a platform for getting young consumers involved and excited about the brand. This demonstrated an efficient alternative to TV that led Mattessons to change their future marketing model.
Fridge Raiders, the ultimate snack for gamers. Pretty impressive for a meat hat.